Today I want to tell you one small quick test whether to understand or how to go about understanding whether the site you have is actually good or not, or there is actually a negative influence on it or not. So this is a very ancient and a very age-old technique that many of the Vedic Vastu, consultants do or conduct when they go on the site for the first time. So I'll be telling you a step-by-step process of how you can do it on your own to understand whether this is right or wrong. So firstly, what you guys have to do is go to your site and stand in front of your site. Then divide your site into 4 equal halves, that is your northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. And at the center of these 4 divisions, I want you to dig again 4 handful scoops of soil outside, and then take a diya, preferably a clay diya with ghee inside it, light it and keep each diya in these 4 pits that you have dug. Once you have dug it, observe the flame and the color in which the flame goes about. Like you guys know, even when you, in a general note before I come back to this again, when you actually switch on your LPG gas stoves and all, there's a particular flame that comes. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's yellow. So there's a reason of which this is there. Sometimes the presence of oxygen or the depletion or dilution can affect its color. So what you guys have to do is, as you lower the flame deeper and deeper into this 4 pits that you have dug in the 4 zones that you have taken out in the space, you will be able to understand either one, the flame color changes from blue to yellow, that means it is a positive site. Otherwise, if there's no change in color and if it's still blue, then probably it's an average site. But if there's an increase of blue and there's no change into yellow, then this is a negative site. And when I mean by negative site, I do not mean that there's any negative factor like, superstitious beliefs like ghosts and all. No, it just means that the oxygen levels at this particular place is less. So when you actually construct your site, construct a house on your site, there would be lesser oxygen levels on your site, which might impact the people using the space at any point of time, because lower the oxygen levels, your respiratory systems would be affected, right? So at this point you will be able to understand that there might be a negative effect because of depletion of oxygen. So in your design strategy as an architect, you can probably go about placing plants or something like that, keeping in mind of your elements and zones again, and see if there's any oxygen generative plants that you can keep, or any other method that you can incorporate into your space to increase the oxygen levels, so it doesn't get either depleted more and there's no negative effect harming the particular person. But yes, this was the actual soil test that was done in age old time, that was done using the help of a diya. You guys can do it on your own if you're practicing or if you're planning to build your own house. This is particularly done only for site level, not for a constructed property or a new property. When it is a barren land and you want to build on it, irrespective if it's a residential, commercial, industrial, whatever, this is the process that you're going to follow.